Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptote. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 8. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? In this question, we're talking about a rational function. Rational functions are in the format of a over b, which means we have a numerator and a denominator. And the vertical asymptotes are all about the denominator. And in the denominator, we must have an expression. When you make it equal to 0 and when you solve it for x, that's going to give you positive 8. Which means we must have x minus 8 in the denominator. If you didn't understand this part very well, let me explain again. X minus 8 is equals to 0. When you add 8 to both sides, x will be equals to 8. So the vertical asymptote is 8. That's why in the denominator we must have x minus 8 in it. Choice A, in the denominator, I'm looking at the denominator only, we don't have x minus 8, and we can go ahead and eliminate choice A. Choice B, we have x minus 8 in it, and this x minus 2 cancels each other out, and the final version is x minus 7 over x minus 8. Yes, this is what we're looking for. Choice C, we don't have x minus 8 in the denominator. We can cancel the choice C then. For the choice D, look at it. We have x plus 8, not the x minus 8. So we can just go ahead and eliminate choice D as well. Again, the final answer is choice B for this specific question. This is how we solve this type of questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.